Hands up to the sky, look at us now. This is what it's all about. Celebrate, celebrate. It's the best day of our life. There ain't no doubt. I just wanna shout it out. Celebrate, celebrate.
Mahilig si Matthew sa mga colorful. Originally, ang plan namin is safari kasi mahilig siya sa animals. Kaso gusto namin kasi mag-enjoy talaga siya. Yung happy lang ba yung ambience. So, circus yung pinili namin. Colorful, happy. Ayun.
Let's have some fun. We're just celebrating like it's graduation underneath these flashing lights. Yeah, everyone's excited just the way we like it. Something's in the air tonight. Watch me turn it up real loud. Everybody here going all out. Live it up, let it out. Hands up to the sky. Look at us now. This is what it's all about. Celebrate, celebrate. It's the best day of my life. There ain't no doubt. I just wanna shout it out. Celebrate, celebrate. Oh yeah.
Yung Matthew, nanggaling yun sa favorite book ko sa Bible. So, pinagkausapan namin ni Habi na Matthew. Tapos gusto namin kasi, yung Liam, parang hinanap lang namin na second name yun. So, ayun. So, Matthew yung pinili namin. Matthew, Liam.
There's no stopping now. They can't take us down.
Put your hands together for the birthday boy, Matthew!
This life, yeah, feels alright. And there's no reason to stop believing. It's about this life, and the future's bright. And there's no reason to fight this feeling. Yeah, love this life. Yeah, love this life. Yeah, love this life. Yeah, love this life.
Ang mga anak ay regalo mula sa Diyos. Once na binigyan tayo ng Lord ng isang anak, dapat na natin itong ipagpasalamat sa Diyos sapagkat children are inheritance from the Lord. They are a reward from Him.
This life, yeah, feels alright. And there's no reason to stop believing. It's about this life, and the future's bright. And there's no reason to fight this feeling. It's about this life, yeah, love this life. Yeah, love this life. Yeah, love this life.
Si Matthew, sobrang mahiyain niya. Para siyang may personal space. Pinanganak ko kasi siya sa US. So kami lang ng mami at kami lang ni daddy yung kasama niya at home. Ayan, hindi siya sanay sa maraming tao. Ngayon yung first uwi namin ever since na pinanganak siya. Na-overwhelmed siya sa mga tao. Pero once you get to know him, sobrang kulit niya, sobrang bubbly niya. Willing siya makipaglaro ng rough place. Pero ayun, sobrang makulit talaga yan. Mahiyain lang talaga siya.
This life, yeah, feels alright. And there's no reason to stop believing. It's about this life, and the future's bright. And there's no reason to fight this feeling. Yeah, love this life.
Matthew, takot sa tao. Kaming dalawa lang ni mami niya yung kilala niya. Pero kapag kasama namin siya, doon lang siya lumalabas yung niya, yung kakulitan niya. Pero yon, makulit, matalino, and very fragile child sa amin dalawa ng ni Mami.
Batiin mo naman yung may birthday, sabihin mo, Happy New Year. Hindi New Year. Happy Valentine's. Hindi Valentine's. Ayusin mo, sabihin mo, Happy Anniversary. Anong anniversary? Sabihin mo, Happy Birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you, I love you.
First time ko siya nakita nag-smile, sobrang naiyak ako kasi parang, alam mo yun, yung hirap mo ba na inalagaan mo siya, nasa womb ko siya for 8 months lang kasi premature siya eh. So, marami pa akong naging complications after. So, nung nakita kong healthy siya, nag-smile siya, sobrang happy kasi ayun, yun yung gift ni Lord sa amin. Tapos wala, ang sarap sa feeling. Iba talaga.
Every time na nakikita ko nakasmile si Macho, nawawala lahat ng problema namin. Pangtanggal talaga siya ng stress. Kaya, yun.
Happy birthday, Matthew! Happy birthday! Pinaghirapan namin ni Mami at Daddy. Though I know you won't appreciate this for now, but in the future, I want you to appreciate everything that we've prepared for this. I want you to remember that you are wonderfully and fearfully made. I wish na lumaki ka na naayon sa plan ni Lord, whatever it is na ano mangyari man sa future. I know God has a plan for us, anak. So always remember that Mommy and Daddy loves you so, so, so much.
Happy birthday, Matthew. Sana maging mabait na bata ka in the future. And thank you for everything. Nung dumating ka sa amin ni Mami mo, mas sumaya yung buhay namin. Happy birthday and God bless.